The pre-VLSI era, how early computers were built. Imagine a computer that fills an entire room, generating heat like an oven, and requires thousands of vacuum tubes just to perform a simple calculation. This was the reality before VLSI era. Before microchips revolutionized the world, early computers relied on massive components like vacuum tubes and discrete transistors. Let us take a journey back in time to see how computing evolved. The era of vacuum tubes. The 1940s and 50s marked the birth of electronic computing, and vacuum tubes were the building blocks. Vacuum tubes were large, fragile, and consumed a lot of power, but they enabled first digital computer like the ENIAC. The ENIAC built in 1945 over 17,000 vacuum tubes and could perform 5,000 operations per second. Impressive for that time. However, vacuum tubes had a major drawback. They could burn out frequently and requires constant maintenance. The transition to transistors. In 1947, Bell Labs introduced Transistor, a game-changing innovation that would replace vacuum tubes. Transistors were smaller, faster, and more reliable, and consumes less power than vacuum tubes. By 1950s, computers like IBM 1401 used transistors, making them more compact and efficient. The impact on the road to VLSI. With transistors, computing power grew exponentially, setting the stage for the next breakthrough, integrated circuits. In 1960s, ICs combined multiple transistors into a single silicon chip, paving the way for VLSI. This marked the beginning of the modern semiconductor revolution, leading the microprocessors and chips we use today. Let us conclude it. Transition from old vacuum tubes computer to modern, from the room-sized computer to pocket-sized smartphones, the journey of computing has been incredible. Without the evolution from vacuum tubes to transistors, the VLSI era wouldn't have been possible. In our next video, we will explore how VLSI technology transformed industries and shaped the modern world. Stay tuned.